Select Flow option in the drop list of the Libraries pane. Drag a rectangle onto the canvas and enter the text Art. Copy and paste rectangle, change its text to Login. Then click the Connect button on the Style toolbar to switch to the connection mode. Drag to connect to rectangles. Copy and paste a new rectangle, change its text to Enter username and password. Drag to connect to rectangles. Then verify if the login information. Drag in a triangle to accommodate branches, and enter is it verified to be correct. Connect the rectangle and triangle. Draw a branch line. Enter no to it. Copy and paste a new rectangle, draw another branch line. Enter the text login successful. Enter yes to the line. The login flow is now drawn. Next, we will draw the registration flow. Copy and paste a rectangle, change its text to register. Copy and paste another rectangle and change the text to Enter email. Copy and paste a triangle and change its text to Does the email already exist? Draw connecting lines to connect these widgets. Similarly, draw a branch line. Enter text yes to line. Copy and paste a new rectangle, change the text to Enter the email verification code. Draw a connecting line. Enter the text No to represent another branch. We need to copy and paste a new triangle. Copy and paste text. Connect this triangle with a rectangle. Draw a branch and enter text. Copy and paste a new rectangle, connect it with the triangle, and change the text to register successfully. Finally, enter the text yes. The login and registration flow is completed with the flow widgets.